Housekeeping. Housekeeping. Housekeeping.
Housekeeping.
Housekeeping. Good morning, housekeeping to service your room.
Oh, sorry. I'll come back later.
Good morning, housekeeping. Would you like me to service your room now?
Oh, sorry. Not right now. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, housekeeping service. Do you want me to tidy up your room first or should I let you recipe?
No, thanks.
Okay, just call number 1 from front desk and if you need anything else.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good morning, housekeeping. Would you like me to service your room?
Yes, please.
Oh. Sure, the cleaning is all done. Is there anything else you need?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Good morning, housekeeping. May I come in to clean your room?
No, thanks.
Alright, I'll come back at a more convenient time. Please let us know if you'd like to service.
Okay, thank you.